Thank you, brother.
The first one is communication. And whenever he was nominated, Michael, wherever he's at, he had to give me a whole bunch of information on each one of these points. And that's why all these people got recognized. The second one is utilize resources. The third is service to others. The fourth is take ownership. They must be optimistic, determined, have integrity, and nurture. Those are the 9 characteristics of a rock star custodian. Now, this year we were very fortunate to have enough people throughout the nation that were nominated, and we awarded 4 Rock Star of Cleaning Awards. And they went to 4 different states. The first one was Colorado to Benito Raymond, Georgia for Marquita Page, Michigan for Amanda Robertson. And you know what? In Florida, we had a runoff. Guess who won? You. But you know, it would be fair not to mention that for the state of Florida, Orlando Rodriguez from Miami-Dade, it was a close battle, right up to the very end. And you kind of been wondering how that wound up. Now you know. So, we have a few words from the person that actually created the Rockstar program, Mr. Mike Ward. So if they step this way, we want to see it from Mike Ward.
Hello, I'm Mike Ward, author of the book Who Swings Your Mop? This is the book that has inspired the National Rockstar Custodian Award that is given out every year through Gym Supply. And this year, for 2024, I want to congratulate Mr. Ramiro Hernandez, who has won that prestigious honor. And I just want to take a minute to just say some things about what stuck out with me when I read through your portfolio, Mr. Hernandez. I love the fact when I read things about taking ownership, that's to me is like the biggest core of being successful as a custodian at any level. And you're always being proactive and things are taken care of even before they're asked. You game plan for every scenario. And, you know, when there's absences, I seen where, you know, it was written that you always have a plan and things still get done. And that leads into my favorite saying, find a reason you can, not a reason you can't. And I'm going to tell you what, there's a lot of custodians in our country and across the world, and to be the nationally recognized best custodian in the world is just an outstanding honor. So again, I want to congratulate you, Mr. Hernandez. Thanks for all you do for our kids in your school and your school district. And keep on being that rock star custodian, because everybody notices it, and more importantly, everybody appreciates it. So take care and congratulations.
Now, I have a plaque here, and I'm going to read it to you so that you guys can know what it says here. It says, Rockstar Custodian, Ramiro Hernandez. The Academy of Cleaning Excellence is proud to recognize Ramiro Hernandez as the National Rockstar Custodian for 2024. Mr. Hernandez was nominated as having the 9 personality traits that we outlined in the Rockstar Custodian program. This award acknowledges Mr. Hernandez's ongoing devotion to keeping Toho High School safe and healthy during his career at Osceola County Schools. Congratulations. Can you hold on to that? There, oh, look at that. It's pretty heavy. Did you actually think this was going to happen? No. I got to tell you, you know what? The community here in the voting, now, if you didn't know this, everybody, voting was open for 60 days. November and how was Christmas for you? Because why?
Everybody was voting, it was crazy.
Everybody was voting. Over 90,000 votes from your community. Get all your stuff around.
Speak up.
Step over a little bit over here. Speak up a little bit.
Get in there.
Get in there. Come on, give it to us. Come on.
Again, like I said, I'm not much of a speaker. I really don't care for all this fanfare. I'm more. It's better to me. It's better to give than to receive, because I always want to be here for you guys and to make sure everything gets done. And you know, I'm here for the kids and for you guys. But I also want to thank everybody that voted for me again, everybody that supported me and still supports me. I thank you guys for everything. God bless you all.
Thank you guys all very much for taking time out of your feedback here on the